Dude, what are you thinking for lunch today?
I don't think I'm going to eat anything.
Nothing.
My wife has been saying I'm getting fat.
We're live. We're live, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Everything you need to know about PRIZM Grey. Stay tuned.
What's up, guys? Andrew here at Sportrx, and I'm joined by Tyler to talk to you about Oakley PRIZM Grey lenses. But before we get too far into the details about these fantastic lenses, I just want to let you know if you like this type of content, you should probably subscribe to our channel. That way you get notifications every time we put out a new video. Also, let us know what you think about Oakley PRIZM Grey lenses in the comments below. If you have any experience with them, or maybe you have questions about them, put them down there and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.
We'd love to hear from you. Okay, so PRIZM Grey. What is PRIZM, Andrew?
PRIZM is Oakley's contrast enhancing lens technology. It really works by using specific dyes in the lenses that manipulate the light spectrum and filter out the colors that you're seeing, sort of enhance the colors that make details easier to pick up on. So everything in your environment is just popping with sort of more enhanced vividness.
Oakley knows optics.
They do. So going back to PRIZM real quick, there's three different options. Did you know this? 3 different categories rather.
Tell me.
So PRIZM Grey is part of PRIZM Everyday, right? But you also have PRIZM Sport. All those are fine-tuned for sport activities. And then there's PRIZM Snow, right? So 3 different categories. These are part of PRIZM Everyday. PRIZM Grey is a great option. Has about 17% VLT with a gray base. If you want something kind of more in the middle, right? You have PRIZM Black here. It's a little bit darker lens, 11% VLT. If you want something not quite that dark, PRIZM Grey is a great choice.
So 17% is a good amount of light. You're getting a fair amount of light getting to your eye compared to your average, dark sunglass lens for sure. What's nice about this, like you said, it's a good gray base, so it's going to give you more of a neutral contrast effect when you're looking through it, right? It still does have the PRIZM tech, so you're still going to get that boosting and separating of colors, which is awesome. But it's a good everyday lens. This doesn't get more everyday than this, I don't think.
No, it's a great option. Again, if you want something more low key too, don't want something super flashy, I think this is a great choice. It's available in polarized and non-polarized in prescription at Sportrx.
That's right. Yeah, definitely check that out. If you want to know why there would be PRIZM Grey and Black, the Black is really just a mirror coating. So this is just sans the mirror coating. It's non-iridium effectively. And so really and truly a great everyday all-around lens. So check that out in your prescription, in non-prescription, whatever you need. Comment down below if this info was useful. Tell us what you think about it, and let us know how we can be of better service to you. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
Later.